Welcome back, guys. Here I'm just teaching you some more things in PHP. I'm just opening the Notepad++, and you can see that I just deleted all the thing which I'm just receiving. I was just receiving on the PHP, but I just deleted all that. And now here you can see that I just changed the concept of the login panel to a simple form. Okay, I'm just getting a name, a subject, a comment, and one thing more. I'm just incrementing here. I am just copying this and just pasting that here. Now this is fine. Now here I'm just typing email address. Okay, save it. Now here what I'm just doing, the email. Okay, this is more perfect. Now this is a name, this is an email address, this is a subject, and this is a comment. So all these things is clear. Actually the login panel was just bounding us on some specific and limited ways, but right now, because I just put it the comments area, inside the comments area I just added the text area tag to getting the unlimited text, not in a single line like the input type text or something. By the way, when I just go to the browser and refresh that, now I'm just getting this thing. I hope you like it, but how to work on that simply, or why I just need that. Now the problem is that if I just go here, or before that I just have to receive the request. So I'm just typing the name is post, the method is post here. So I'm just typing post and two square brackets, and inside the square brackets I don't need to put these single quotes because it is in the double quotes, by the way. So here we just have to type the name, okay, because the name of this field is name actually. After that just add a simple br and duplicate it and duplicate it. Now here I'm just typing the email. Not in this way, actually in this way, email. Okay, you know that we have to care about the case sensitivity. So email address is okay. Now here is the subject. The subject is okay. Let's just type the subject here. Okay, now just duplicate that again, and here I'm just typing the comments. Everything is fine now, and here removing the subjects and just simply typing comments are. Now everything is fine. Just go to the browser and refresh that. Now sorry, there isn't any request we received, so I'm just typing the name Shazib Kumail. The email address, I'm just putting an email address. Actually, yeah, that was more right, email address. Now in the subject, some tests, whatever you can type. I want to test something in this form, and click on submit button. Now you can see that okay, there is some problem in comments. By the way, the name Shazib Kamal is perfect, the email address GDSKHMAD, and the subject is some tasks. But the problem with the line number 37, the comments. Okay, let us check that. Line number 37, the comments. And what is the problem with that? Actually there is comment and there is comments. So let's just add the S here. Okay, now let's just save it, refresh that again. Now simply type your name and your email address and your subject, some tests. Okay, I want to take some tests of this form. Okay, now I think something is wrong here. Simply click on submit button. You can see that the name is Shazib Kamal and the email address is GDSKHMAD, and the subject is some text, and the comments are I want to take some tests from this form. Okay, this is perfect. But what if I just put some HTML tags in this way? Okay, Shazib Kamal, and here I'm just typing another things like I'm just putting h1 again. Okay, I'm just typing GDSKHMAD at the rate gmail.com and then the h1. Now in the subject I'm just typing the mark. Okay, the mark is actually the HTML5's new element which actually can highlight our text. By the way, some tests, whatever I can type, I'm just typing I want to get some tests. Okay, now here what I'm just doing, actually adding some kind of um, strike. Cover this strike and just click on submit button. Now you can see that the name is very capital, which is not a good way. The email address is also capital. The subject is highlighted by just because of the mark tag, and here the test is here with some kind of strike tag. So what is the solution? I just teach you about that. You can use two type of solution for that. Okay, the first one is, let's just cut that and paste it here and concatenate it. Actually, before concatenating, I'm just adding some kind of functions here. HTML special characters. If you remember, I just teach you, and here I'm just putting the name. And now what will happen, actually, if I just copy this and simply just press a period and paste it, and now do the same with the next line. Okay, here, and everything is fine now. Now just simply cut that and paste that here inside the HTML characters. Okay, that is perfect. Now just simply cut that subject and paste that inside the HTML special characters. Cut that as well, the comments, and just paste that inside the HTML special characters. Now what to do more, actually, first of all, just add some kind of single quotes, which are really important. Okay, everything is fine now. Let's just save it, go to the browser, and actually just refresh that. Now there isn't any request received. Now I'm just selecting the H1 again. I'm just selecting the H1. Okay, this is the thing, and here the subject should be, okay, not in this way. I did, okay, mark that. I just forgot what I just did. And here I want, in here B and tests. Okay, now click on submit button. Now you can see that we are generally getting the text, okay, instead of their works. Okay, now actually these texts are not working. Why this is happening? Actually, in this way, what the HTML special characters did, it just copy the text, and actually when we just pass the received data from users to the special characters, HTML special characters, what it did, it just simply converts the HTML tags, if there is any. Okay, so the HTML tags into the HTML entities. Now you can see that entities only just a show, okay, not able to render something. This is a single way. We can do another way as well. For example, on the subject area, okay, there are some kind of text in the subject area, the mark. So here we actually can, or in the email address. Okay, I'm just using the strip tags. I just teach you about the strip tags as well. What it will do, actually, it will actually remove and prevent the tags. Now just simply refresh that. Now just select the same things which I just did. Okay, the mark, and here I'm just typing blah 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 and click on submitting. Now you can see that there is a tag, but not any tag in the email address. Why? And the interesting thing is, actually the BR is removed as well. You can see that there isn't any BR. Just why? Just because after the gtskim@gmail.com, and you can see that this is the address, and there after that there isn't any BR, so that's why this happened. So by the way, the thing is that we can prevent the tags directly, or we can do in this way as well. Now something more I just want to teach you about these things. For example, if I just go here and refresh that, just apply the trim function as well with the PHP comments, or actually post comments. So where we can apply the trim function, we can apply the trim function here, and we can nest the HTML characters with the whole thing inside the trim. Now just save it and go to the browser and refresh that. Again, just type simple things. Actually, this is not really necessary. I'm just clicking on submit. Now you can see that the comments are ASD, whatever. Actually, what the trim can do, if you just remember, I just teach you in some previous classes that it can remove extra tabs, extra spaces, or new lines or something. So this is really important if you just want to submit your data in the database. Okay, so everything is fine here. We just actually validated our form, and actually now we are just getting the save things here. Okay, so stay tuned and goodbye.